It's the last day on Boracay. I've not got any drone footage yet, so I need to send the drone up. I've got it with me now. I've just been on the beach on that side of the island. Now I'm going to go onto the main beach and send it up. I've only been on these two sides. There is a bus that I can get on, hop on and off, hop off bus. So I'll see how that works and see where that takes me. From the lake behind me that you just saw, this is the main area. If you're wondering where to go, just head towards the main beach from that lake, and that's where everything's going on. When I arrived here, New Year's Eve, I was up the far end of the beach and there was nothing going on. I wish I'd have come down this side, because I'm sure it would have been a lot busier. That's typical, it's just started to rain. So I won't be sending the drone up until it blows over. I'm sure it will. You get these little bursts of rain and then it goes away and sun comes back out. I'll sit down, grab a beer and wait for it to blow over.
Yeah.
I thought it's a good enough time as any to try a Red Horse, an extra strong beer. They give me in a paper bag because I'm not allowed to drink on the streets, so I have to drink like an American now out of a paper bag. That's what it looks like. Red Horse. Pretty good. Yeah, I was expecting it to be like treacle. What percent is that? Oh, it's made by San Miguel. The original San Miguel. Doesn't tell you how strong it is. It just says extra strong. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. Quite nice. Oh, yeah. Still not done karaoke yet. Maybe in Palawan I'll find somewhere. I need a few drinks and I'm on my own. So yeah, I need to find a local place. It stopped raining, by the way. So probably going to get in huge trouble putting the drone up. But if I can find a quiet place with no official people about, I'll quickly send it up, then bring it back. They won't know. Well, I've just found out my drone is geo-locked, so I can't take off from here because the airport is probably less than a mile away. I'll probably get away with it on the other side of the beach. Might be too far away then, but yeah, it won't let me take off, so I'll have a walk down here, see what's going on. Everyone's getting ready for the sunset. Gets very busy. Yeah, I don't think you can see, but there's a few thousand people on the beach ready for the sunset, which happens every day, funnily enough. Yes, I managed to get the drone footage. I walked far enough away from the airport and it let me take off. So yeah, I'll play that now. Sun's going down. Well, it's gone down now. I think I'm going to finish the night off getting some proper food rather than 50p street food. I'm going to see if I can find a nice buffet. Maybe steak. I don't know. Yeah. Looks like they stay in school till late here. Guessing it's about 6 p.m. and they're all just leaving school. Probably to avoid the sun, I'm guessing. They probably start later and finish later. Right, going back to the hostel, getting changed. You want to see what my room looks like? I'll show you. It's not too bad for an hostel really. It's quite private. I'm going to have to be quiet when I go in here, just in case anybody else is in. This is my room. I just made it to the restaurant just in time. Just started chucking it down. Chose this Italian. It's not the place I wanted to go. I wanted to go to a prime rib place, but I couldn't find it. I think it's further up the beach. Yeah, I just ordered pizza and risotto. Should be good. Yeah, it's absolutely chucking it down. Another Long Island. Woo. Yeah, it's a good one. Can't go wrong. Here's the pizza. Thank you. Thank you. I've been craving a good pizza. I don't think I should have ordered 2 courses though. This is massive. Look at that. Yeah, a bit warm. Let it cool down a bit, but it's nice. Got the fluffy edges on it. Yeah, I think I'm going to be full up after this though. I'll still eat the risotto afterwards, why not? I've not had anything today, so... I only had a chicken burger yesterday, so I'm okay to pig out, why not? Got some spicy olive oil here, stick some of that on it. It's absolutely chucking it down, look at it. I overdo it with the chili flakes as well. Maybe just put it on one for now, so I don't spoil it. It's not. It's got a little bit of a kick to it, that olive oil. It's nice. Good pizza that. Here's the main course. Actually, I think I did alright with that pizza. There's not much risotto here. When I make risotto at home, it's four times the size of this. I can make better risotto than this, honestly. It's watery, it's not creamy. Yeah, it's not very good that. Pizza was nice, but it's nothing to that risotto. It's nice. I think they've rushed it. It takes time to make risotto. You need to slowly keep mixing it with the stock. Not good. Yeah, if you want a good pizza, it's pretty good that for pizza. Don't bother with the risotto. It's called Aria, and it's right on this central complex. If you go in that way and that way, it's a complex of different bars. Right next to Epic on the beach. Total price was $1,500, which is about £20. They did put a service charge on, which I don't agree with. They should let me tip, but everywhere's started doing that now. That's it from Boracay now. Not a great place to end the video, but I'm flying to El Nido, Palawan tomorrow. It's a 1 o'clock flight, so maybe I'll get up in the morning and get out and do some filming, but in reality, probably not. So yeah, that's it from Boracay. Next video will be El Nido in Palawan. See you there.